how to play with your flashcards. These are all 2 times table flashcards. What you do is you look at them and you go 2 times 9 is, and if you're not sure, you flip it over, 18. Then you do it, 2 times 9 is 18. Then you go 2 times 6 is, oh, I know that one, 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 10. 2 times 6, what is that? 12. 2 times 6, 12. 4 times 2, I know that one, 8. 2 times 7, oh, what is it? I can't remember. 14. 2 times 7, 14. Sometimes if it's a tough one, you can go like this. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 7, 14. 5 times 2, I know that, 10. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 8, oh, what is it? 2 times 8. Instead of skip counting, that takes too long. Flip it over and go, oh, 16. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 8, 16. Yes, 2 times 8, 16. 0 times 2, 10. 2 times 2, 4. And then you do it again. The point is, if you're not sure, check right away and then do it over again. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 7, 14. And go through them again and again with the answers on the back. Okay, that's how you do it. And then you'll get good.